Hey everybody, welcome back to the Josh Wiley channel. A while back I got a hold of one of the Smith & Wesson SD9VE pistols and I did a review on it. Since the time I've had the pistol, I've tinkered with it and done a couple of different stuff to it. So today I'm going to show you some of the upgrades and stuff that I've done to the pistol since I've had it. Now if you want to check out the initial review I did of the pistol, I'll put that link down in the description below. Now I'm going to go over all the different stuff that I've done to this pistol, but I do want to highlight two different companies on stuff that I've recently put on here. First off, we have a magazine extension. It's a 2-round magazine extension from Apex Tactical. And then I have one of the Talon grips on here. And then up next, the slide. I did some work to this and I just did a video on that as well. I'll put that link down below. But as you can see, I cut a port up here and machined the back and drilled and tapped 2 holes to mount a red dot optic, and the red dot optic I've got on here now is the Vortex Venom. And next thing I want to talk about is this new light that I got in from Dagger Defense. It's the SD9VE. It's a 200 lumen flashlight, and it's got a real easy push on off switch right here, and then you push it back to cut it off. It does take one CR123 battery, and then to replace the battery you just screw this end off and get your battery. Real easy, real simple. I like it. And then another thing that really popped out at me that I really liked on this light, there's no screw to mount this thing. It's real easy. You got 2 little tabs on the end here and you just push it down and this thing comes right on off. And it's got a little key in here that will fit in the slots on your Picatinny rail. And so you can put this on a AR-15 rifle, anything that's got a Picatinny rail on it, you can put it on, and it's real easy to take on and off real quick. You just slide it up on there and pull the tabs down and it'll lock in place. Real neat design. I really like that. That's from Dagger Defense. And then the last thing I want to talk about with this is something that's really popular with this pistol. As I said in the initial review I did of this pistol, the trigger is definitely not the best trigger in the world. So I did get a hold of a trigger kit and a spring kit from Apex Tactical. It is 2 different things, and the trigger kit is just the trigger. On the trigger, it's like a Glock trigger, and you have a trigger safety on it, so you can't pull the trigger back unless you compress the trigger safety, which is a really nice feature. And then the spring kit is a couple of springs that you replace in here, which will control your trigger pull and all that good stuff. And doing the trigger kit and the spring kit, it's a real nice trigger pull. It cuts it down by like 2 or 3 pounds from the original trigger. And it's a nice reset, and trigger travel is also shortened. So that's a really good option for this pistol. If you have this pistol, I highly recommend getting both of those. I think the trigger kit you can get for about $20 or $30, and then the spring kit is only 20 bucks. So you're talking about 50 bucks to greatly enhance the performance of this pistol, and I do recommend doing it. And as far as the install, it might look overwhelming if you haven't really done anything like that with a pistol, but it is real simple and it's not that hard. I mean, all you need is a hammer and like 2 different punches, and it's real simple to replace all this stuff. And there's quite a few people, and Apex does have videos out there to help you if you get stumped on something in replacing the trigger kit and the spring kit. So it's a very good option. I really like that. But that's the SD9VE, how I've got it now. I really love this gun. And another thing that sucks is these SD9VE pistols, there's not a whole lot of options out there to do stuff to this. So like they don't sell barrels, and you can't get replacement slides. It's just stock slides and stuff like that. So Barrels, like extended threaded barrels, you're kind of out of that whole option. And your slide, you have to send that out to a machine shop to get anything you want done to it. It's not like you can go and just order one that you like. But there is a couple of things that a couple of companies offer for this, and they're all really nice, and you still can set this pistol up to be a really nice, good pistol. But that's the SD9VE. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you haven't yet, please consider getting subscribed to the channel. And I am also on Patreon. It is a big help to support the channel since it is all funded completely by me. So I'll put a link down in the description to my Patreon account if you would like to consider becoming a patron to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So that's it for today, and I'll see y'all next week. Thanks.